Hey prompters, what if I told you you could generate a full suite of professional-level test cases in seconds with just one AI prompt? And no, this isn't the future, it's happening right now. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact prompt that companies would pay thousands for, and how you can create your own custom test case libraries in minutes. Welcome to AI Promptie. Today, we're going to hack the boring world of manual QA and upgrade it with a few magic words. Here's the truth. QA engineers waste hours writing repetitive test cases. Miss just one edge case? You risk bugs slipping into production. But what if AI could catch what humans forget? In this video, you'll learn how to craft AI prompts for functional and edge case generation, how to avoid lazy AI answers that miss critical scenarios, a real-time walkthrough where we build 20 test cases in under 60 seconds. Traditional test case writing is slow, error-prone, and let's face it, boring. AI is fast, creative, and scalable. It thinks of scenarios you didn't even consider. For this example, we'll be using this site. Link will be in the description. Prompt example: act as a senior QA engineer with 10 years of experience. Generate all possible detailed test cases for this screen. A login screen with username and password fields, field labels, placeholders, login button, forgot password redirect, LinkedIn, Twitter, X, Facebook, and YouTube icons, UI texts, and design. Include positive, negative, security, UI, UX, performance, and any other important kinds of test cases. Use this structure: test case ID, tc.1, tc.2, test case title, test objective, test steps, test data, expected result, actual result, status, preconditions, conditions, dependencies, test case priority, author, date, version, test type, comments, notes. Include both common, edge, and rare cases. Return the test cases here in chat in a spreadsheet format. You can tweak this to match the screens and structure you're working with. This forces the AI to dig deeper. Quick question: would you trust a login system without a single forgotten password test case? Neither would your users. That's why mastering AI prompting for QA could literally save your company. Watch how it instantly spits out 20 to 30 high-quality test cases. Notice how the AI doesn't just generate happy paths. It also creates negative test scenarios, edge cases, and even security checks. You can either ask it to generate more, just copy the table, or ask it to return a downloadable version for you, and voila, your spreadsheet is ready. Imagine this: your competitors are still manually writing tests while you're already shipping cleaner, faster, smarter code with AI. Who's getting the promotion next quarter? If you found this powerful, imagine what else we can unlock together. Subscribe to AI Promptie for more insane AI tricks, secret prompts, and industry hacks you won't find anywhere else. And hey, comment below, prompt master, or send an email if you want me to share the prompt with you.